Microsoft has consistently introduced innovative features that aim to elevate Teams functionality. And now, with the integration of loop components, sharing and collaborating over snippets of content has become more accessible. Welcome to today's video, where you learn how to use loop components in Microsoft Teams. A loop component is a tiny chunk of content in the form of a list, table, or paragraph that all team, organization members can share and edit in real time. It seamlessly integrates with Teams chats, where you can collaborate and communicate over day-to-day activities. How to use a loop component in Teams. Launch Microsoft Teams and open a chat where you want to send a loop component. Select the loop components icon at the bottom of the chat box. Ensure that there is no text in the chat box. There are 7 types of components available: bulleted list, checklist, numbered list, paragraph, table, voting table, and task list. Choose the one you need to add. Enter the details into the selected component. You can even mention a team member's name to indicate their requirement on his task. To change the sharing setting of the component, click on the option People in your organization with the link can edit. It automatically launches the sharing settings panel, and you can choose with whom to share the link. Move to the More Settings section to decide whether individuals can edit or view the loop. Finally, click on Apply. Select the Send option, and everyone in the chat will be able to work together on it. This way, you can make the most of the loop components in Microsoft Teams, which are stored in OneDrive. If you need to migrate these components, you can opt for the Kernel Microsoft Teams Migration, an automated tool that can migrate all Teams data accurately within a few clicks of the button. Thank you for watching, and for more information about the Kernel software, click on the link given below. Have a great day.